Join me as I dive effort and smart strategies can lead to passive income, transforming your financial future. Passive income is the holy grail of affiliate marketing, and it's what sets successful marketers apart from those who struggle to make ends meet. With passive income, you'll be able to earn money while you sleep, travel, or pursue other passions, giving you the freedom and flexibility to live the life you want. Passive income streams can be created through various means, including affiliate marketing, dividend investing, and creating digital products. The key is to focus on building a sustainable business that generates consistent income over time. By doing so, you'll be able to achieve financial freedom and live a life of prosperity. Furthermore, the skills you develop through affiliate marketing, such as content creation, marketing, and sales, can be applied to other areas of your life, giving you a competitive edge in the job market or other business ventures. To wrap up, remember that affiliate marketing requires patience, dedication, and the right knowledge. By following the steps we discussed, you'll be well on your way to success. Affiliate marketing is a journey, not a destination, and it's essential to stay focused, motivated, and committed to your goals. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or questions.